Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with file systems in C++. The problem arises when trying to iterate through directories, and an error message pops up preventing the operation from completing successfully. This can be frustrating, especially when the code seems correct and permissions have been checked. The solution to this problem is actually quite simple. By running Visual Studio Code as an administrator, we can bypass the permission issues that are causing the error. This allows the code to access all directories and files without any hindrance. By following this solution, you can ensure that your code runs smoothly and without any interruptions due to permission restrictions. In summary, running Visual Studio Code as an administrator is the key to resolving the issue of being unable to iterate through directories in C++. By granting the necessary permissions, you can successfully access all files and directories, making your code more efficient and effective. I hope this solution helps you in your programming journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this workaround. Happy coding!